Hi guys, this is the quiz review for this week. I'm going to be doing question number 9. Which of the following does the author identify as an inherent weakness for regulating advertisements based on whether they actually deceive people? And here are the options that were given. Businesses are expected to admit when they're deceiving people. Consumers are expected to know when they've been deceived. Regulators must have to prove businesses' state of mind, and the concept of actual deception is subjective and difficult to prove. I chose number 4 for my first attempt because I really do think that actual deception is very subjective and difficult to prove. So I immediately just picked that answer for this question. But it was wrong. So I went back to reread the chapter, and then I started thinking that it may be questions number or option number 2 or 3. I know it wasn't number 1 because that's just not good business for a business to admit that they're deceiving people. No business would make money. So I had to choose between answers number 2 or 3. And so on page 202, I found this. Most importantly, especially this sentence, the actual deception standard may be too weak in the sense that it places the burden on the consumers to take initiative and come forth to prove the deception. And so one might admit that it's answer number 2. But then it goes on to say many consumers may never know they have actually been deceived. So that kind of knocked option number 2 out for me. So it was left with just option number 3. And that was actually in the top part of page 202, saying that the FTC would need to determine the state of mind of the marketers. So I went with answer number 3 for the second attempt. I'm not sure if I got that one right, but to me that was the one that made the most sense. So that is my quiz review. I hope everyone did well on their quiz.